I'm Kyle from Renew Tool, located in Owasso, Michigan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the stroke setter. Determine your application pin stick-out length in millimeters, which I have a set of calipers. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use 3 washers as my thickness. So what you want to do is measure the remaining height you have. Caliper zeroed out, 17 millimeters of travel. So I'm going to refer to the manual on page 11, and it's telling me 10 clockwise rotations. So what I'm first going to do is back the stroke setter flush with the clutch. You can see it's flush. And then I'm going to go clockwise 10 rotations. And that should be set. Now we're going to reassemble the tool. We'll first screw on the collet, pull back on the clutch, bottom the collet out, and then back until it clicks. Slide on your nose housing, the nose housing nut, and the anvil. And then you want to tighten these with the wrench. Now that we have the stroke set up, we're going to go ahead and test the fastener real quick. We're going to slide the collar on. We're going to hold the fastener, making sure your fingers are out of it so it doesn't get pinched. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. Here's an example of the bad fastener setting. You can see that this metal is stripped off the top. You can fine-tune the stroke setter if need be by sticking your 2mm Allen wrench into the front end of the collet. You will need to increase the stroke for the stroke setter if it is over-swaging, meaning pulling metal off the top of the pin. You need to reduce the stroke by turning the stroke setter clockwise. This is a very important step as it will keep your collets lasting longer and is not overexerting the tool. Here's a breakdown of the tool with part numbers listed. This tool comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. This will cover manufacturer defects. You can read more about the warranty info on page 23 of the instruction manual. If the tool is malfunctioning within the year, it is best to send it to Renew Tool for authorized warranty repair. Renew Tool is a leader in the industry for authorized POP, Avdel, and Stanley tool warranty repairs. All internal parts of the tool need to be sent with the tool to submit for warranty. If parts are missing, the warranty will be void. Thanks for watching, and remember, Renew Tool for all of your POP, Avdel, and Stanley fastening tools, parts, and service.